FAQs about Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated. Hello, I'm Ferbvu, and I'm excited to share my insights on the Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated. This stunning plant has captivated many plant enthusiasts, including myself, and I'm here to answer some common questions about it. Let's dive in. What is a Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated? The Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated is a unique and beautiful plant known for its distinctive variegated leaves. The leaves have a striking mix of green and white, giving them an almost artistic appearance. This plant belongs to the Araceae family and is a close relative of the Monstera deliciosa. How do I care for Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated? Caring for this plant can be quite rewarding. Here are some tips. Light. It thrives in bright, indirect light. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so it's best to place it near a window with filtered light. Watering. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure the soil is well draining. Humidity. This plant loves humidity. If you live in a dry climate, consider using a humidifier or placing a tray of water nearby to increase moisture in the air. Temperature. It prefers temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. How does it compare to Monstera deliciosa? While both are part of the Monstera genus, they have distinct differences. Leaf shape. Monstera deliciosa has larger, split leaves, while Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated has smaller, perforated leaves. Growth habit. Monstera deliciosa grows larger and can become a floor plant, whereas Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated tends to be more compact and is often grown as a hanging or climbing plant. Variegation. The variegation in Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated is more prominent, with dramatic white patches, unlike the typically solid green of Monstera deliciosa. What are common problems and how to solve them? Even with the best care, you might encounter some issues. Yellow leaves. This can be a sign of overwatering or poor drainage. Adjust your watering schedule and check the soil. Brown tips, usually caused by low humidity. Increase humidity around the plant by misting or using a humidifier. Pests. Common pests include spider mites and mealybugs. Regularly inspect your plant and use insecticidal soap or neem oil if needed. How do I propagate Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated? Propagation is a great way to expand your collection or share with friends. Cutting. Take a cutting with at least one node and a few leaves. Water propagation. Place the cutting in a jar of water, ensuring the node is submerged. Root development. Once roots are a few inches long, plant the cutting in soil. Soil propagation. Alternatively, you can plant the cutting directly in moist soil, keeping it humid until new growth appears. Can Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated grow outdoors? This plant is primarily grown indoors, but it can thrive outdoors in the right conditions. Climate. It should be warm and humid, similar to its native tropical environment. Light. Outdoor light should still be indirect. Place it in a shaded area to avoid direct sun. Pests. Outdoor plants are more susceptible to pests, so regular checks are essential. How does it compare to Monstera Adansonii? The main difference lies in the variegation. Variegation. Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated has striking white variegation, while the standard Monstera Adansonii has solid green leaves. Rarity. The variegated variety is rarer and often more expensive. Care. Both require similar care, but the variegated version may need more light to maintain its variegation. Why is Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated so popular? Its popularity can be attributed to several factors. Aesthetic appeal. The unique and striking variegation makes it a standout piece in any plant collection. Rarity. Its relative rarity compared to other houseplants adds to its allure. Trend. It has become a trendy plant among social media influencers and plant enthusiasts. What are the benefits of having Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated? Besides its beauty, it offers several benefits. Air purification. Like many houseplants, it helps purify the air. Mood enhancement. Having plants can improve your mood and reduce stress. Decorative. It adds a touch of elegance and greenery to any space. Conclusion. I hope this FAQ has answered your questions about the Monstera Adansonii Albo Variegated. It's a remarkable plant that can bring joy and beauty to your home with the right care. If you're considering adding one to your collection, you won't be disappointed. Happy planting!